Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best compact and mini circular saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rockwell RK3441K Compact Circular Saw, best overall. When you're looking to buy a compact circular saw, you may not know the full scope of projects that you'll one day end up using it for. Because of their inherent versatility and ease of use, mini circular saws can be used for a much wider variety of tasks than you might expect. That's why we love the Rockwell RK3441K. Of all the saws we reviewed, it had the best performance across the widest variety of uses. The 4-amp motor provides the RK3441K with an impressive 3,500 RPM blade speed, making it nearly as powerful as many traditional circular saws. This allows it to cut through tile, wood, sheet metal, plastics, and flooring with relative ease. With its one-handed operation, laser guide, and easy depth adjustments, this saw from Rockwell really is prepared for almost any job. Right out of the box, it comes with a carbide-tipped blade for wood, as well as specialized blades for aluminum, PVC, and ceramic tile. If you're looking for one saw that can handle any small job in your home, we recommend the RK3441K. Moving on at number 4, we have the Tacklife Circular Saw with metal handle, best value. This Tacklife circular saw proves that you don't have to pay an arm and a leg to get started on high-quality home improvement projects. With a fantastic combination of power and portability at an unbeatable price, we think it's the best compact circular saw for the money that you can find. A high-powered 5.8-amp motor produces a 3,500 RPM blade speed, making the Tacklife competitive with even the most expensive compact circular saws. Where it really draws our accolades is in its innovative design. A metal fold-out handle means that you can operate with one hand for convenience or two for complete control and accuracy. Other features of the Tacklife that impressed us include a laser guide, easy depth adjustment, and double trigger safety switch. Perhaps its only downside is a slightly heavier design, weighing in at around 7 pounds. At number 3, we have the Rockwell RK3440K Mini Circular Saw. Lightweight power is the name of the game with the Rockwell RK3440K. Weighing in at a mere 5 pounds, yet still as powerful as any other saw in our review, it's a pint-sized powerhouse that's ideal for small projects. A 5-amp electric motor produces a remarkable 3,500 RPM blade speed. This is easily enough power to handle home repairs and small DIY projects. A slim inline grip helps it to fit into tight places, and its diminutive size makes it easy on the hands, arms, and shoulders. Being this small does come with a downside, though. With a maximum cutting depth of just 1-11/16, it's not capable of as wide a variety of jobs as many other saws we reviewed. Overall, we recommend the RK3440K for smaller people who might struggle with heavier power tools, as well as anyone looking for a quick-to-use tool for small projects. At number 2, we have the Worx WX429L Compact Circular Saw. Fully equipped to cut through 2x4s with ease, the Worx WX429L is another excellent option for a lightweight saw. Its 4.5-pound weight is supported by an ergonomically designed handle that we found easy to use and comfortable even for long days of work. The 4.5-inch blade on the Worx has a maximum speed of 3,500 RPM, putting it in the highest class of cutting power for compact circular saws. Depth and bevel are easily adjusted, giving it great versatility for all sorts of woodworking projects. At a similar price and with nearly identical features to many of the saws we reviewed, the WX429L really stands out for its warranty. A 3-year, full coverage policy is better than that offered by any other product on our list. The only downside? You'll likely want to replace the factory-provided blades as soon as possible because they're not as accurate as we had hoped for. Also, this particular design could prove to be rather troublesome for left-handed people. And finally at number 1, we have the Dremel SM2003 Mini Circular Saw. The Dremel SM2003 is an odd duck amongst compact circular saws. With a maximum cutting depth of just 3/4 inch, it's never going to be your go-to tool for cutting boards to size, but its extremely lightweight design and ridiculously efficient motor make it so easy to use for detail work. While it may never replace your table saw, it's an incredibly useful tool that shouldn't be ignored for home DIY projects. Equipped with a 6-amp motor, the Dremel SM2003 is the most powerful of any compact circular saw in our review. The proprietary Dremel blades that come with the tool can cut through wood, plastic, or metal with ease. Backup blades can be a little bit pricey, which is a downside of choosing this tool over a different saw. In short, this Dremel saw is the lightest and most powerful saw we found to review, but is limited in its utility by a shallow cutting depth and proprietary blade design. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.